Good morning. My name is James Hipworth. I'm from Australia, Queensland. I was looking on Facebook and Google looking for surgery treatments for all-on-4 dental treatment and for penile implant surgery due to a severe accident that I was in 5 years ago, nearly killed. And I needed to help fix my life and fix the last things remaining to be done so that I could get on with my life. In my observations on the internet looking for a good provider in Australia, the cost of these two surgeries was going to be around $90,000, and which was out of my reach. And I then looked at Bangkok, Thailand being the next best place, which was around about $40,000, which was half the price. But in my research, I then came across Vaidam Health, who then helped me and said, we can help you if you are interested, we can get it cheaper for you. You should be interested in India, in either Mumbai or New Delhi. And so I chose Mumbai, and they gave me the prices, and I found it was going to be only around $24,000. And therefore, I then scheduled everything. I came here for 2.5 weeks. My problem with my teeth, if I hadn't listened to Australia, maybe I would have died later because I had problems that they had not picked up, but the surgeons here picked up. So I'm actually very thankful to my surgeon here for helping me and now putting me on the right track and a healthier and better life and a better recovery. So I would guarantee to always look outside the square, look outside, try India, Mumbai or New Delhi. They have fantastic surgeons here, state-of-the-art technology. They are always willing to help you, and they will find a solution to your needs to make your reality come to life. Thank you.